I recorded a whole video step-by-step carving this piece, and I didn't save it, so this is just the last bit of the carving, guys. Pisses me off. It always helps to think outside the box. Whoa! Oh, look at the little guy in there. Okay, guys, so I've been really taking my time on this piece because I liked my first face, so I wanted to keep on doing, taking my time doing cool things, you know what I mean? Whatever. I think it's cool. Okay, so it's all sanded. I took it down to, I think, 180 grit. No, 250 grit. And to do inside the whiskers, I use this. This is on a 1/8 nut and bolt. Okay, I doubled up the nuts in the back. Somebody suggested it. This is, what's that? Dishwashing. Shit, what's the name of this stuff again? Whatever, it's for dishwashing. Argggggg, no, I forget the name. I'll think of it. But anyway, so I just went lightly on this. I wish they made this stuff in black. If anybody knows where they make the black stuff like this. Hold on. This shit. Tampons. Well, that's pretty rough tampon. What's their name? Scoring pads. Tampons. Jesus. Poor girls. Anyways, that's the stuff that I use. But if anybody knows where they make black stuff like this, let me know, please, in the comments. Because if you go too fast with this stuff, if you're doing full blast carving like I do, heavy hands, you'll get green in there, right? So just do it nice and slow and take your time. Just try and get all the low spots, but it works deadly. That's how I sanded all this stuff. Excuse me. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to paint inside the eyes, okay, the mouth and the nostrils, and all of them black. I'm just going to use this dollar store paint. Watch this. This is how simple a friggin' is, guys. Plop her on. Who needs a paint tray? Dollar store brush. Throwaway stuff. I might clean the brush. I like these little brushes. They're not bad, actually. They're soft. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And then, once it's done, I'm going to oil it, and then I'll get back to you guys and show you. What do you think, Damon? What do you think so far, bud? They are all painted black. Everything's black eyes. I should have made red eyes on that one. Black eyes. Okay, this is the oil that I'm going to use. Natural, that means clear, Danish oil. As soon as I just pour it into a cup. Get these from the dollar store, like 10 for $1.50 or something. And I'll just show you a quick example how dark this is going to go. This cottonwood's actually a real nice, beautiful grain in it. So I'll do that, and I'll show you what it looks like, because I got to let this paint in the nose dry a bit. You guys see that green in his forehead? There it is, guys. She's all done. Let's see if I can get some better lighting in here. Oh yeah, look at that. You know, this cottonwood bark is so soft. It's beautiful to carve, and actually it's just real beautiful grain in there. If you take your time sanding it good enough. I just oil it so it looks wet. But I might really wait for this oil to dry and then make it a shiny piece. Put something I can, put something over top of the oil to make it shiny. Any suggestions on that? People can give me a shout out in the comments. But I really love this piece. And once again, I might just keep it for myself. I just sold one of my favorite carvings, so It was on my wall. All my favorite carvings are on my wall. So I might put this one up there to replace it. Hope everybody's doing good. And keep the new wood spirit carvings coming, guys. And this is a shout out to my new friend Damon out in California. Just keep practicing, bud. Make the carves deeper. Look how far this nose is sticking out, right? All of them. Even on this little guy. I'm pissed off. I deleted the whole... It was like a 30-minute video, step-by-step carving I did for you, Damien. But I erased it by accident, so sorry about that. But below, you can find in the comments the Kutzall burs I use. Follow the link and use Carve Infusion for a 5% discount. Thanks for watching.